Every shipment represents EPCB's commitment to its global customers. This gas-fired steam boiler features a fully wet-back, 3-pass structure, offering high thermal efficiency and thorough flue gas circulation, improving combustion efficiency and extending boiler life. The boiler is constructed from high-quality steel plates, with automated welding technology ensuring greater safety and durability. Energy saver. Equipped with a high-efficiency energy saver, it recovers waste heat from flue gas, increasing overall system thermal efficiency by 3 to 5, significantly reducing fuel costs for customers. Water pump. High-lift, high-reliability water pumps from reputable brands guarantee a stable boiler water supply and provide continuous, powerful power to the system. Water treatment. A professional water softener system effectively removes calcium and magnesium ions from the water, reducing scale formation and significantly extending boiler life. Chimney. The chimney features a high-temperature resistant, corrosion-resistant design, ensuring smoother flue gas exhaust and safer, more stable system operation. Each piece of equipment undergoes rigorous testing before leaving the factory to ensure its safe arrival at the project site in Egypt. EPCB, your private boiler system expert.